animal classification, the criteria for classification, the living organism are of two type, prokaryotes and eukaryotes. प्रोकैरियोट्स में आ जाएगा किंगडम मोनेरा, यूकैरियोट्स में यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म एंड मल्टीसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म. यूनिसेलुलर में किंगडम प्रोटिस्टा, मल्टीसेलुलर में विद सेल वॉल, विदाउट सेल वॉल. विद सेल वॉल में ऑटोट्रॉप्स एंड हेटरोट्रॉप्स. ऑटोट्रॉप्स किंगडम प्लांटेई, हेटरोट्रॉप्स फंगी. विदाउट सेल वॉल में किंगडम एनिमेलिया. हाउ आर द प्लांट्स क्लासिफाइड? Presence or absence of presence or absence of organs, presence or absence of separate conducting tissue for the conduction of food and water, whether the seeds are enclosed within the fruit or not, and whether they are monocots or dicots. According to the recent studies, estimated number of animal species on the earth are approximately 7 million. Now, what is animal classification? The formation of group and subgroup of the animals depending upon the similarity and the differences among the animal is called as animal classification. The first person to do the animal classification was the Greek philosopher Aristotle. He classified the animal on the basis of the body size, habit and habitat. This classification proposed by Aristotle is known as artificial method. Aristotle's artificial method of classification was followed by Theophrastus, Pliny, John Ray, Linnaeus. Later, natural system of classification was followed based on the criteria: body organization, type of cell, chromosome, biochemical property, etc. Later, some people came. They were Dobzhansky, Mayer, and recently Carl Wohlfs. Now, what is the benefit of the animal classification? The study of animals become more convenient. Study of few animals helps to understand the entire animal group. We can understand the animal evolution. Animals can be easily identified with great accuracy. It helps to understand the relationship of animals with other living organisms. It helps to understand the habitat of each animal and its exact role in nature. It helps to understand the various adaptations shown by the animals. Traditional method of animal classification, depending upon the presence or the absence of the notochord, animal can be divided into two groups. They are non-chordate and chordate. Non-chordate body is not supported by rod-like notochord. Pharyngeal slits are absent. Nerve cord is present on the ventral side. It is solid and paired. Heart is present on the dorsal side. Non-chordate are divided into 10 phylum: Protozoa porifera, Coelenterata, Cnidaria, Platyhelminthes, Astralminthus, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, and Hemichordata. Chordata. Body supported by notochord. Pharyngeal slit or lungs are present for respiration. Nerve cord is present on the dorsal side. It is hollow, and heart is present on the ventral side. What is notochord? Notochord is a long rod-like structure present on the dorsal side of the animal body. It keeps the nerve tissue isolated from the remaining body. Now their classification, किंगडम एनिमेलिया में 2 टाइप्स है, नॉन कॉर्डेट एंड कॉर्डेट. नॉन कॉर्डेट में 10 फाइलम है. कौन से? प्रोटोजोआ, पोरीफेरा, सीनिडेरिया, प्लैटीहेलमिंथस, एस्ट्रलमिंथस, एनालिडा, आर्थ्रोपोडा, मोलस्का, एक्टिनोडर्मिटा एंड हेमिकॉर्डेटा. सब किंगडम कॉर्डेट में आ जाएंगे. फाइलम कॉर्डेटा. कॉर्डेटा में आ जाएगा यूरोकॉर्डेटा, सिफेलोकॉर्डेटा एंड वर्टेब्रेटा. यूरोकॉर्डेटा, सिफेलोकॉर्डेटा, वर्टेब्रेटा. वर्टेब्रेटा में आ जाएगा साइक्लोस्टोमेटा, पाइसेस, एम्फीबिया, रेप्टाइल, एव एंड मैमेलिया. The five kingdom classification was done by Robert Whittaker on the basis of body organization, body symmetry, body cavity, germinal layer, and segmentation. Now, criteria for the new system of classification. First is grade of organization. The body of animal is made up of many cells. In case of the multicellular organisms, many cells are performing different function in the body. But in case of the unicellular organism, there is only one cell and all the functions are performed by the same cell only. Body organization of the unicellular animals is referred as protoplasmic grade organization. In case of the multicellular animals, if the tissues are not formed, their body organization is called cellular grade organization. Example, phylum Porifera. Again, the body of animals is made up of many cells. In case of the multicellular animals, many cells are performing different function in their body. In unicellular organism, only one cell is present through which all the body functions are performed. Body organization of unicellular organism is referred as protoplasmic grade organization.